Prior to starting the catheterization, always wash your hands thoroughly. Adjust your clothing as necessary, sit on the toilet as normal, and make yourself comfortable. Before catheterizing, you must clean the area around the urethra. Take care to wash from the front to the back of the vagina. Before opening, check that the product is intact and ensure the lubricant is evenly spread over the catheter. Remove the protective covering on the connector side of the catheter by tearing along the marks. Hold the catheter by the connector to remove it from the protective covering without touching the catheter. Spread the labia apart gently with the index and middle finger of one hand. You may need to pull slightly upwards to expose the urethra. Now insert the catheter slowly and carefully into the urethra and continue entering the catheter until urine starts to flow. A slight manual pressure on the lower abdomen towards the end of the catheterization process will ensure that the bladder has been completely emptied. When the urine stops flowing, slowly remove the catheter. The catheter may then be discreetly replaced in the protective covering and discarded in a bin. Always wash your hands again after catheterization to complete the procedure. Actreen Mini Cath is small in size but big in impact.